Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 21470235541 on your Windows. So if you encounter this error usually on your Windows when there are some uncertainties and you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. So first is try restarting your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So try to restart your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows, including all the programs of your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows and the problem has been fixed, well good, but if not, simply move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar, what you can do in here, you need to type cmd. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here, you need to type this command as subc /scan out, hit enter. So this process will take some time. The verification process will start from 1% and this will goes up to 100%. So what you can do once this process is not yet completed, do not close this window. You can just simply minimize this and then work around with the windows like multitask, do some files or documents, but do not close the window. You can just simply minimize that, and once this goes up to 100% completed, then you just have to simply close this. Then in the Windows search bar again, type cmd. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. And here you need to type the second command, dism /online /cleanup. It's cleanup dash image /restore health. Then you have to hit on enter. So this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. It differs from Windows to Windows. But here's the thing, do not close the window unless the process is not yet successful or it doesn't goes up to 100%. And once this goes up to 100%, then right after that, you just need to close this window. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the final method in the Windows search bar, type here msconfig. Then the system configuration will appear under the best match. So what you're going to do, you just have to simply click on it under the best match. Then this window will appear, which is the system configuration, and you have to click on the services tab. Then you have to make sure to check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Then you have to click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK. Then you will be asked to restart your Windows and you have to click on restart, and after that your Windows will be restarted. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.